So friends, today we are going to discuss on the last component of my 10-digit MP Srinivas, what it means to MP Srinivas, not just for MP Srinivas but every one of us. The S factor, the last S factor. Solution, at the end of the day, all whatever we discuss from M to A, from motivation to aspiration, all the aspects, all of them are only for a true solution in our lives. I am sure you will absolutely accept that you are aware and we are aware that every one of us work towards solutions. So are we really working properly towards the solutions? Yes, we need to understand that solutions are not always encouraging, solutions are not always easy. Today, the entire world is fighting the pandemic. We know very well. Right from Japan to US, everyone are trying for an vaccine for that, trying for a solution for that. So we could identify the problem. We could at least analyze how to treat that. We could understand how to avoid that. But are we able to cure it? Are the scientists able to do that? It's taking its own time. So, as such, we need to be aware that solutions are not so easy. So, let it be COVID 19 or let it be any of the problems that every one of us are facing because of COVID 19 or because of some other situations. So, what is that motivates us from the first step to achieving the solution? So, what is solution basically? Is solution always easy? We know very well it's not always easy. Is solution practical, possible every time? You never know. Today we are discussing about the vaccine, but how far it will be successful? We never know. How many will get vaccinated? We never know. There are so many anti-vaccine campaigns going on across the world for the last 200 years. But are we stopping trying to create the vaccine, trying to basically produce the vaccine, trying to identify the right formula to get the vaccine? No, we aren't. Why? Because try and try till you die. The person who doesn't try is equal to the person who is dead. So we know that very well. So all the parameters, all the things, right from motivation to aspiration that we discuss all these weeks is for solution. For me, when I had started my career, when I had took up marketing as a career, when I took up training as a career, so what was the solution? Because I need to either compromise with my physical limitations or take it up as a challenge. So I took the second way around. But when it comes to taking up the challenge, how could I resolve the issues? So how could I make myself keep fit? How I could motivate myself to raise the heights? So it is all in the mind. So solutions are possible, solutions are practical, solutions are achievable, easy. I may not be easy at times, but you will have to find out a way to actually get the solution for a particular problem. So I made my own way. So I had started bicycling. I started going to gym. I started playing cricket, football and all to keep myself fit. Even today, I does whatever I am doing every day physically to keep myself fit, keep myself motivated. And that is the solution for me to be in the field of marketing, in the field of training. Today I am doing my master's program in training, and tomorrow I am aspiring to be continuing with what I did in the last 18 years as a passion to convert it to a profession. That is the need of the hour at this point of time. So friends, so this is what MP Srinivas meant for not only MP Srinivas but for every one of us. So we will discuss some other topic, some other day, some other time. I will come up with more videos. So keep watching my videos, subscribe them, follow them, recommend them, and encourage me by giving your valuable feedback and inputs so that I can improve further and can come up with much better videos with much better topics. Thank you, friends.